Hello friends, welcome back to Gadgets, Gizmos and Beyond. So today we got the Wanbo X1 Pro Max, which you can see over here. We just got it delivered. So just open the box and see what it contains, and just do a deep review of how exactly the product performs. So this is how the packaging looks like. Just look at this. This looks really cool. And it has full glass lens, LED light source, anti-dust filter, keystone correction. Then you have low noise. So all these features are mentioned over here. And this is how it's going to look like. We'll quickly unbox and see how it really looks like. And few additional details just on the side of the box. And finally the Wanbo branding, which is here. And this is how the front of the box is going to look. So let's open it. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is really cool. And this has some of the manuals as well as the warranty card which is there. And as soon as you open this, you uncover the projector. So this looks really compact. So this is how it looks like. Wow, this is Wanbo branding. This is the lens. You have the keystone correction over here. Then there are a few buttons to adjust. And you have the filters over here. And on the back side, you have the power button, the AV, and then you have 3.5mm jack, the USB port and HDMI port. And this is also the power cable. The power port is also there. So there are multiple connectivity options. As you can see, you can even connect your phone to the projector. So now let's open the projector and see what the picture quality and the sound quality looks like. And looking into the box, you have the power cable over here. And also you have a pretty cool remote over here. This is white in color with the Wanbo branding over here, and the remote really looks really good. Alright, now let's keep the box aside and open the projector. So as soon as you connect your projector, you see the screen, which is I think this is Android 9.0. So as you can see, this is the best screen you're going to get. It has all the apps. It has Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Prime Video. So all these apps you're going to get. And to start with, like, there's a bit of a noise, but not that much, which is not bearable. But obviously if you are using it in a room which is had the fans and all, it should be good enough. You are not going to face a lot of problem. But like any other projector, this has a bit of a noise. So this is the very first look of it. As you see, the picture quality is really good. So as you say, it's really bright. And if you are in a completely dark room, which you can see right now, I'm in a completely dark room. So the picture quality is coming really good over here. And let's run some videos and see how it's come up over here. And as you know, Android 9.0 is not the official Android version, so you are not going to get like 1080p on Netflix and all, but at least YouTube we can get 1080p. And let's run some videos and see what the quality of the video is coming. So before you go there, like as you see, even the letters which are there can be really visible. You can read it here. Even at the edges also you can read it pretty clearly. So you can see this is the edge of the screen, but still it's pretty visible on the edge of the screen as well. And if you are sitting around say 2 to 3 meters, then obviously you're going to get the best quality. Right now this is being projected to a white wall, which is almost I think 100 to 120 inches. And as you see, the quality is coming really good. You can see everything, and the brightness is also really good.
वाह, वैसे आपका कौन एडमिट है?
कोई नहीं, यहाँ लोग बड़े अकेले लगते हैं ना। चलिए आते।
So as you can see, this is the picture quality you are going to get, and this is certainly really bright sunny day. As you can see, just sitting from 2 to 3 meters and having a 120 screen, this is how the quality of the projector you're going to get, which is really awesome. As you can see, this is really bright, and if you are sitting in a really dark room, you're going to get the best experience. And even if you get closer to the projector, you're not going to see any blurs at the edges as well. So considering this price point, this is not that bad. As you can see on the edges as well, this is really good. and even if I'm closer to, let's say, 1 meter or so from the screen, still you are seeing awesome quality of content over here. So the color, if you come to the color also, the color is coming really natural, and whatever the color you see on the mobile phone or on this laptop, you are going to get exact same color combination over here. So as you see, this is white and blue or purple color, and you're getting exact same color, and the grasses are also coming up really nice. It's coming really green out here. And if you look at, let's say, the gray or the red and other stuff also, this is coming as clearly as it is, as natural as it is. There's no artificial color as well, or it's not kind of exaggerated. So as you can see, when I'm coming closer to the screen, you're going to see the actual color being projected. So there's no issues from that point of view as well. And this is a 1080p projector, and as you see, this is coming really good over here.
కథలో వచ్చేసింది ట్విస్ట్. ఎలా మీకు తెలిసినట్టుందే. 16 కోట్ల యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్స్, 29 లక్షల హోటల్స్ మరియు హోమ్ స్టేస్, అతి తక్కువ ధరలకి. పబ్లిక్ హ్యాపీ.
So as you heard, this is the sound quality we're going to get, which is pretty reasonable. I should not say this is really good, but if you're in a closed room, you can easily hear the sound. But if you even want better quality of sound, you have to connect any external speaker with the 3.5mm jack. And these are some of the 4K content. As you can see, even though this is not a 4K projector, but still you are going to have really amazing 4K experience. So you can see the quality of videos and all, if the brightness and the color is coming really awesome over here in this projector. And this is how it's going to look like. This is really amazing, and if you just increase the volume as well, you can see and hear the quality. This is really amazing. So initial verdict is, this is a really cool projector with really amazing brightness, as well as the clarity is really good. And this is almost a 400 ANSI lumens projector with almost 20,000 hours of lamp life and plus or minus 40 degree of keystone correction. Really makes it a good projector at this price point of close to 12,000 rupees or so. So definitely, if you are looking to buy any reliable and branded projector, this is the one you should go for. And definitely you can get the details to buy this projector in our description, and you can buy from Amazon over here. So that's pretty much it. It's a quick overview of Wanbo X1 Pro Max, and we'll be making a video pretty soon, maybe another 1 week or so, having our experience of how it worked for a week or so, and get more details of the projector in that time. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.